Article 315, Public Service Commission for the Union and for the states. Article 316, Appointment and Terms of Office of Members. Article 317, Removal and Suspension of a Member of a Public Service Commission. Article 318, Power to make regulations as to condition of service of members and of staff of Commission. Article 320, Functions of Public Service Commission. Article 321, Power to extend functions of Public Service Commission. Article 323, Reports of Public Service Commission. Part 14A has Article 323A to 323B Tribunals. Part 15 has Elections. Article 324, Superintendent's direction and control of elections to be vested in on Election Commission. Article 325, no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds of religion, race, caste or sex. Article 326, election to the House of the People and to the Legislature Assembly of the States to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Article 327, power of Parliament to make provision with respect to elections to such legislature. Article 328, power of legislature of a state to make provision with respect to the election to such legislature. Article 329, power to interference by courts in electoral matters. Moving on to Part 16, Article 330 to 332, special provisions for certain cases. Part 17 has Article 343 to 351, official languages. Part 18 has Article 352 to 360, emergency provisions. Article 352, proclamation of emergency. Article 360, proclamation of financial emergency. Part 19 is miscellaneous. Article 361A, protection of publication of proceedings of Parliament and state legislature. Article 361, bar to interference by courts and disputes arising out of certain treaties, agreements, etc. Article 363A, recognition granted to rulers of Indian states to seize and privy purses to be abolished.